Welcome to the Port Botany Resource Recovery Facility. This program will give you all the information you need to complete your business on site safely and without incident. At Veolia, we're committed to workplace safety in everything we do, from our safety values to site-specific instructions and requirements. We believe that no task is so important that it cannot be done safely. So please, give your full attention to this program, which clearly explains what's expected of you whilst on site. In addition, we have a leaflet explaining the requirements. If you have any further questions, ask our Veolia staff. And remember, always safe, no compromise.
As part of our commitment to a safe working environment, you need to be aware of our fatal risk prevention protocols. These protocols guide Veolia managers in how to implement consistent and sustainable risk control measures to create and maintain a safe operational environment. They cover major risk activities, such as working at heights and road transport. They are reviewed and updated regularly. The protocols may impact on how you conduct your work, but when this occurs, your Veolia contact will explain the requirements. Before you even come on to any Veolia site, you or your company must complete our contractor registration requirements, and then to gain entry to the site, you must complete our contractor permit to work requirements. This induction will outline what is required to obtain a permit to work.
So before we issue the permit, we'll need to see some information. Firstly, your certificates of currency.
These will vary depending on the work that you will perform, so check with your supervisor or Veolia contact that this has been completed.
And also your relevant qualifications.
Remember, conditions on site are always changing, so site inductions will need to be repeated every 12 months at a minimum. Depending on the work to be done, you may need to bring paperwork or certificates with you. If you arrive without these, you will be turned around and denied entry.
Yeah, look, these are out of date, so we'll need an up-to-date certificate before you can do any work on site.
No ifs or buts.
I've come here today, I'm ready to go. Can't we just do it later?
So if in doubt, check with your supervisor or Veolia contact about what you need to save yourself a wasted drive. On arrival at our botany site, please use the correct gates for entry and exit. Obey the speed limit and all site signage. Give way to other vehicles and always remain aware of any pedestrians. Park your vehicle in the designated parking area and report immediately to the Weighbridge office.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Stephen.
Your Veolia contact will give you clear instructions on how and where to complete your work. Always obey site personnel instructions. There are some standard site rules. Mobile phones are not to be used whilst on site, driving or operating machinery. Amenities are available on site at the end of the Weighbridge office. Smoking is not permitted except in the designated area. No children or pets are allowed on site. No drugs or alcohol or anyone under their influence is allowed on site. Give way to plant equipment on the site. Be patient when moving around the site. Never approach another vehicle or plant equipment until the driver has acknowledged your presence. Don't assume they can see you, and never walk under raised buckets or grabs. Report all accidents, incidents or hazards to site personnel immediately. In the event of an emergency, please follow directions from site staff. The emergency assembly point is located on the grassed area beside the outgoing weighbridge. In the event of a spill, please advise site staff and follow any directions provided. There is a spill kit located inside the waste shed. First aid kits are located in the Weighbridge office and the lunchroom. Report any injury immediately to the Weighbridge operator or Veolia staff. We treat safety seriously, so if in doubt, ask. Any breach of these rules will incur a warning. Continual breaches will result in refusal of entry. Thank you for watching. We always want to hear from you if you think we could do something better. Have a safe visit and we look forward to seeing you again.